Welcome back, my wonderful people, to Balabas Jason. Here we'll bring you update of things where they happen as the day they go. My people, you don't read though. They say that the mad people now are discussing themselves. They say these people are not mad. Any mad person you see, please watch very careful. Say these people are okay. As you see them there, they carry their color, they get many things. If they see opportunity, they go collect the one where you get for one corner. So now this now the correct thing where they happen for inside Nigeria and for Biafra land right now. So as I bring a conscious on a man, be very careful. Another ogbonge news where we get for our hand today. Now be say the Methuselah on a know am now. The Methuselah, where they call Methuselah one came mad, we be say in the always talk about US is one of the hardcore for inside US side. It don't come aside come to say that the US could never reconcile, or they will never come together with Biafra government in exile with any individual, which I will play the videos. May you watch how it go. The current situation now for inside Nigeria, they say that the investors where they come from outside, where they use their international airport, especially the one where they for Lagos. If people can remember last few months that will make a video concerning the airport, that this airport, that a lot of things are going on there. They are extorting people as if that you don't have a right to land in that airport. Like say, hey, now Aburo airport, you just arrive. So they say that investors that are coming to Nigeria to invest are running away currently because the Aburo thing where they happen for the airport is done too much. So I'm going to play you the video of the mad people before we jump to other ogbonge news. Stay tuned.
Arụemene, ị na-enweta this video gị na-share ya. Make sure na share this video. Lee anya ebe anụ aka ịfụ. Ya afụ ebe boys disguise onwe aka ndị ara. Gaa na street na-anapụ ndị mmadụ ka ha ji. Arụ na-eme n'obodo. So many people chọrọ ịgba Christmas anụ in a very big way. So plan ha bụ ka ha napụ ndị mmadụ ka ha ji. Where about Christmas I know if I not share the video. Share the video. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Hold this one, hold this one, hold this one. All the way to Cavalry. Now Cavalry on the go. So oh yeah. One and run no. No. I don't know. Anna, where the other colo? Or yet than an honorable monarch. Now the dream of that. Where? Yeah, what's our? I mean, yeah, what? Where are we? Gina, where? No one knows. This one have begun. What are you on? And I'm on real bar.
Welcome back, my wonderful people. You don't see them. These are the people where they claim say they be mad people. Where they say they know they mad. They just use them. They collect money for one corner with anybody where they see. So this is not waiting they go. So be careful. Any person where you want interact with. This especially see this small few months where remain to enter another new year. Okay, my people, let us bring the video of Methuselah make una watch before we jump inside another ogbonge news where we get for our hand.
I bring you greetings from the city of Vienna here in Austria. I just want to use the opportunity to encourage many of you IPOBDs and lovers of freedom that it's time for us to pay attention to the main game. We have tried for the past 3 years now. We have been vindicated many times, and behold, they will continue to try again. But now we have tried to, prove to others, especially those who are not following up, they have known that these people came to make caricature of the Biafran struggle, to distract us from the main goal. I want to see many of you begin to bring Mazen Namdekan in front of their topic. Bring the atrocities committed by these individuals that are still in us. Mind you, I didn't say we should leave them completely, but they should not be the subject matter. We can reference them from point to point and to make sure that we continue checkmating them indirectly, but they are not going to be the subject matter anymore. There's a lot of things for us to congregate to do. I love many of you as you are combating the assault on our race. It's also one of the points that we must make sure we push back. So as many of you are trying your own endeavors, I want to see a new change in the utterances, in the way we do things, and at the same time the topic that we raise. Because one Nigerianist has been benefiting from seeing these individuals who claim to be part of us derailing what we're doing. They love them. That is why they are promoting them. But now you can see they have getting to their end point. They call it end of the road. So we must rise up to do what we know how to do best. Remain blessed, and I remain a humble servant.
They compromise an entire struggle. They compromise it. That is why I love what these fools are doing by the side. Even today, we have picked up some potential traitors that we know in time to come that they couldn't handle things when they're put under pressure. So you're telling me that Yoruba paper can... So you people don't know that? That time will come when Yoruba papers and AIT will devote their time to try to bring down the leadership. You don't know that?
Video clip, I have tried to get used to it, but it's a little bit complicated. So we're also going to use Twitter Space. So we're going to analyze the beginning of the journey till today, and at the same time to see a reason to begin to ask into the real movement that we're into, to begin to know what is going on. Mazen Nnamdi Kanu is still in detention. I know this book came as a distraction, and they really tried to distract this movement, but we are now getting back on our feet. The mission was to destroy it, but now they could not destroy it. That's why you see them asking questions about how to unite if we are not fighting for the same goal. But they forgot that they did what they call vote of no confidence, and today they have failed woefully. So that's why they're asking about unity. In case you don't know the genesis, don't mind them when they see them in different platforms asking us to unite with one another. Some are sitting on the fence. Some will tell you they are neutral. They are waiting for Mazen Nnamdi Kanu to come out. Please don't mind them. These are the people that have failed woefully. So instead of them to confess of their sin, they now decided to come for unity. We are not going to unite with any individual who have used his word in one way or the other to take the life of our people at home. So we're not going to condone that. Like I said, we're going to convene today. A lot of people have been telling me that I should come to Twitter every day, that this is where the battle is. But you know, I cannot divide myself into two. This is all about time, resources. If it is possible, but I don't think. If I have multiple phones, I think it will be good for us. I'm doing TikTok program. I can connect to Twitter Space since it's just audio. But all those things are resources. Sometimes some of you thought that we are being paid to do what we are doing. No, we're just struggling to make sure we put smile on their face to carry you along, in as much as we are still having internal setback among us, but we are going to confront that in due time. So even as you can see me speaking, I'm speaking from my working place. I just try to bring out time, to convey this message to you. And we're going to meet tonight by 8 p.m. Biafran time. And I remain a humble servant.
Okay, my wonderful people, this is now waiting me to sell and talk. And I say my bring and come show. Now let us jump for inside the happen for inside Nigeria as we they talk right now. They say the investors don't they jackpot because of the Owomida and the Aburu where they happen for international Murtala Mohammed International Airport. Watch the video.
Investors are complaining. Lagos Airport, that's the first thing they see. You get off the plane, this is welcome to Nigeria. The number of messages that I received from passengers, from the Honorable Minister, and from the Presidency is insane. Especially from Lagos Airport. But I want to focus on ABSEC. You represent an agency and an organization. The way you engage, Auntie, what do you bring home for us? Auntie, bye-bye. Auntie, open your bag. I have another individual who said, I think I forwarded that to you. These were Chinese passengers that were flying through the terminal. And they said somebody gave them a gift, their necklace as a gift. I've also gotten feedback from ABSEC officers and customs saying that they are not collecting pension. So this is the way for them to generate or earn their pension. This has to stop. And I have a very clear directive. It goes for the team leads, it goes for the HODs, and it goes for the heads of the organizations at the airport. If your organization is found wanting, then it means that you as a leader has failed, and it means that I have failed. And this better stop. I also hear that agencies are giving returns to their bosses. So let's have frank conversations in here. The airport is no longer a place to come and make money. So if anybody in your organization is asking you to give returns, I'm saying the same to you. And to all of the other agencies here, better tell them you don't want to come here. Because the penalties are going to be stiff.
Okay, my people, now so we'll see am for today, and I will say more bring and come show now. For those who go come, they correct us or they tell us what to do in our channel. For your information, this is a free channel. Who choose to support everyone, who choose to bring every news to his audience. So if you don't like what we are doing, please, instead of writing your nonsense and get blocked, JJ pass the video. We are not looking for your followers, and we are not looking for your what. We don't need your nonsense writing. So you can write about anybody you see in the video, Methuselah, but stop coming to tell about this. You don't need to bring these people. You don't need to do this. Did you open a company for us? If you don't know, for avoidance of that, is a this is a registered company outside Nigeria. So if you don't know that, know that. So I choose to support the Biafran people because the press that Nigeria are bringing to the Igbo people, to the Biafrans, are too much. That is why we choose to support you guys. But if you think that your ignorance, you can tell us what to do in our channel, then I will choose otherwise as well. So please take my news, watch it, comment on it. Do not leave an insult word on us and go your way. This is one thing you have to understand about this channel. I support Biafra people 100 times. So anybody that say anything he say, I will bring it here for you to see. If you love it, fine. If you don't love it, then you pass. So for my audience who are following me, who are sharing the videos, thank you so much. I appreciate you guys. You guys are doing wonderful work, and keep sharing. So for those of you who come to take it personal and looking for one thing to tell me, I also thank you. But don't forget that I also block a lot of people because I hate people with no brain. My people, wanna share this video and drop your own opinion for inside comment section. So it be.